As part of our alliance with Building Smart Alliance, we are represented on the technical committee for NBIMS, a National Building Information Model Standard 2.0 of the US. And a bit of background on it, as many of you may be aware, there is an emergent ISO standard for our industry that we've never been faced with this before. NBIMS is from that standard. One of the things that we wanted to do is make sure everybody had a voice in sharing in looking at the balloting. And basically what it is recommendations. People make submissions for what should be contained in NBIMS 2.0, which is due out in December. Now this isn't a how-to BIM standard. It's about the baseline information a building information model should contain in order for everybody in this room to confidently extract that information and rely on its fidelity. So currently the balloting is about to start. We have a technical committee and we want to reach out to as many members as possible. I was chatting with Brent earlier and we talked about the ideal size for the technical committee for CanBIM would be if all members were on the technical committee. So we want to reach out. There's a few of us, but we'd like to get some of you more. And again, if you're a member, provide us with the email address and we'll definitely put you on. Now, as far as the balloting goes, the first ballots are due out in the next couple of weeks. So if you want to see what's going to be in NBIMS, even if you have a comment about it, the comments are critical because some of the items that are being balloted may not make it to NBIMS 2.0. A good example of that may well be IFC 2x4. IFC 2x3, 2x3 will make it, but 2x4 won't because there's some concerns over has it been properly mended and so on and so forth. So don't be afraid to comment from your perspective. The whole idea of the balloting is to make it very easy to understand what basically the BIM is being asked to do. And so there's a format that's followed, and you'll find if you want to join that committee and be part of the balloting, it is very easy to understand, and it's an exciting opportunity because Building Smart Alliance was telling us the cost of the NBIMS standard, NBIMS 2.0, the US standard, $25 million US. We don't have that kind of money in Canada, but what we can do is take this a little step further and be part of the adoption. So they'd look for things around perhaps metrication of the standard where we have experience, getting an opportunity to create a French version of the NBIMS 2.0 would be good. So we're looking forward to that balloting, and there is time for people to join it. So that's just an update on the balloting.